No? A. That's the first letter of the alphabet. Yeah, that's a U. Yeah. Yeah. You're moving around a little bit. Oh, are you sitting on the blocks? Does it feel funny to sit on the blocks? They're not very comfy, are they, to sit on? They don't make a good seat. Seat. You sit on a seat. Yeah, you're sitting on them. That's another seat, you're right. Should we see how it turned out? You discovered it, huh?